Hey, this is Colin Gallagher back again for Really. I want to show you a few of the updates to our RocketReel platform for automatically delivering sports highlights. So I'm going to just sign in here and it'll take a second. So as you can see, we have a landing page where we have the options to clip, stream, or create. Clipping is uploading a video file that you already have, and then you can either manually clip the plays as you watch, or you can just run it through our analyzer and have an automatic highlight output. Streaming, we're going to be talking a little bit about this today. This is basically uploading a stream URL and then clipping the highlights automatically there. And then we have this Create tab, which we'll talk about a little bit in the future, and that's creating custom highlight videos. But for now, let's go to the clip page so you can see. This is the RocketReel layout. It's the videos here on the left. You'll get the plays output on the right. You can add a new game by choosing a file, uploading. You select a league, a team, some tags. You can also manage your queue, so you can have your active queue and some stored games, so you can do a little file management so that when you go through this list, it's not as cumbersome as mine. As you can see, we have a bunch of different games in here that I can choose from. I'll choose this lacrosse game. This is a high school lacrosse game. I am going to check the game data. Everything looks fine. I will go back to the player and start the detection. So you'll see there on the bottom right, new analyzer process started. We have that little blue bar, and it's running through. This is maybe a somewhere between a 7 and 10 minute clip, I can't recall. But you can see it's running through the progress pretty quickly. So that's the blue bar. The green bar is when it finds an output. So there is a success. And as you can see here, there's a start time and end time. You can fiddle with those using these sliders or just inputting a new time right here, the importance level and type and all of that. And so here we can play the clip. And so what we should see here is, looks like they're passing the ball around. There should be a goal. It's listed as a goalpost type. And okay, right there we have a shot and a goal. So that was the analyzer's output on that. I can click this button to copy it to a URL. I can filter by importance level. I can do a lot of different things. We've talked a little bit about all of this, so what I'm going to do now is go to the Streaming tab, where you can detect highlights automatically from a stream in real time. I've actually got a video clip running over here on this side. It's Cavs Warriors Game 7, greatest game of all time. But just for this testing purposes, we're going to run this in here. So Cavaliers at Warriors, offset before and after something of interest, like a score, is going to be 5 seconds before, so you can see a little bit of the play that occurred, and then 2 seconds after. So I will go ahead and start detection right now. You can see down there at the bottom right, it says game saved. So now it's going to take about 15 seconds to spool up. We need to buffer, we need to grab basically enough of video so that the analyzer can compare it to other things that have happened and really get a full sense of what's going on in the game in order to start to create highlights. So now the analyzer process has started, so we can watch here as it starts to look for highlights that are occurring in this game. So we'll wait patiently there. We have a success, so it should be kicking out a clip. There we go, 2-0. It looks like it found a score. So I'm going to click Show Video. It should enable me to watch these clips, so I can play the clip. There we go. We've got Kyrie driving. My internet's a little bit slow, but as you can see, we have a score right there. All right, so that's great, and it's going to keep kicking out clips as it goes. There's another score, but I can again share to Twitter or Facebook. I can download it here. If I can copy this clip to a URL if I want to download it, do whatever I want with it. Or, some people are putting these in spreadsheets to look at later. But basically, from here you can do any of the same things you can do from the clip tab, but now it's just running on a stream. So that's about it for the update to the RocketReel platform. Again, I'm Colin Gallagher for Really, and you can find us at www.really.ai. Thanks.